Carolina, and we actually managed to sneak out and get a little bit of hopefully some decent skiing in at Cataloochee. We're coming into Maggie Valley right now. Just caught a good weekend here. They had a little bit of fresh snow during the week this week. They've been blowing snow every night. So we've got 17 of 18 trails open today at Cataloochee. I guess I should say tonight, because we're actually coming in to do a little bit of night skiing. It's almost 5:30 in the afternoon. I didn't feel like getting up at 5 a.m. this morning to try to beat the crowd with the lift lines, so I figured I would actually come up, spend the night actually in Waynesville, staying at the quaint little Econo Lodge just off of Highway 74. It's actually one of the nicer Econo Lodges I've ever been in. It's got some great views, all renovated and everything, so pretty cool there. But we decided to come up and spend the night, so we're going to get some night skiing in. Night skiing deal at Cataloochee is actually pretty good. It runs from 5 to 10 p.m. and it's a $49 lift ticket. So if you come up and do a 4-hour half-day pass on the weekend, it's like $71 or $72. So if you don't mind, I guess, dealing with some of the the icy stuff and everything else after dark, it's actually a pretty good deal. $50 for 5 hours of skiing on the weekend in North Carolina is pretty hard to beat. So anyways, plan is we're heading in now. Hopefully the crowd is not too bad. I checked the webcams earlier, and of course the Saturday crowd at Cataloochee was crazy as usual. But we're gonna head in here. Hopefully it thins out a little bit. We can get some good night skiing in, and then tomorrow morning we'll try to get out there early. Sunday morning, beat the crowds. Hopefully everybody will be going to church in the morning, and we'll be able to get some good runs in on Sunday morning. But I'm just happy to be back out here, guys. Like I said in my other video, I've only been out twice this year and 4 times total for this entire season. So this will hopefully be our 5th and 6th time out for the season. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. And just get on the mountain and check it out.